Hello and welcome to McLaren. In this video, we will provide a tutorial for connections and functions of McLaren's cold planer attachment on your Takeuchi machine. Once you unbox your cold planer, you will see that everything is included and ready to use. On this particular attachment, no assembly is required. Setup. To remove the cold planer from the pallet, hook up the cold planer directly to your machine via quick attach. Once the planer is attached, make sure to connect the case drain line first, then connect the male and female couplers, and finally connect the attachment wire harness to your machine. Locate the yellow tank on the left side of the planer and fill up with water. Notice there's a sight glass on the side of the tank. This must be filled completely. Next, functions. McLaren's cold planer has the following functions: depth adjustment, angle tilt, side shift, water sprayer. Now we can move forward and demonstrate each function for your Takeuchi. Let's begin. The depth adjusters controls how deep the drum goes into the asphalt. To activate this function, do the following. On the left joystick, activate the toggle switch to spin the drum. While spinning the drum, locate the two buttons on the outer right of the right joystick. That would be for functions E and F. Function E lowers the right depth adjuster. Function F would raise the right depth adjuster. The inner two buttons on your right joystick are functions C and D. Function C will lower the left depth adjuster. Function D will raise the left depth adjuster. Next are the following functions. Function J. Function J is located as the trigger button on your right joystick. This will switch to your alternate functions, allowing E and F to control your left and right tilt, and functions C and D to now control your left and right side shift. Function G is located to the left of your seat, labeled aux G. This allows the water pump to activate. Water is an important part of this attachment. It helps to maintain and control dust while in use. This will conclude your basic functions for the McLaren cold planer. Go McLaren, go extreme.